Look, I think there are, in the months leading up to this point, I've made a point of going around and getting to know people, local authority, who's in this space, who's controlling it, where were they, where are they headed. Mm-hmm. So I wouldn't rate if I had to rate myself out of 10, I wouldn't rate myself close to 10. I would rate myself in terms of, let's say, a 6 or a 7 right now, because I think there's a lot that I need to learn. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of, let's say, characters or figures that are playing roles that I think are very key to the success between the cooperation on the different levels. Because obviously, let's say, with a good outcome, I become councillor, there's certain authorities, certain things that I have to look after, and everyone next to me as well. Mm-hmm. And then there's the local authority. But if some of the problems that I understand as I started is the communication is not always what it needs to be. So again, once we can fix the communication and the information flow, I think there's a lot of improvements we can make. Mm-hmm. But there's still a lot that I think once you want to be effective, you need to understand, again, the entire scope of it. Yeah. So I've gotten to know certain very important characters. I've gotten to know a lot of important processes. You know, it blew my mind when I prepared for this as to how much actually goes into it, because it's not just about stepping into a position and saying, I'm going to wave a paper, I'm going to say some words and it's going to change. Yeah. There are a lot of people affected by this, and there's a lot of processes that needs to run before any change can come. And I think the respect that everybody has to have for each other, every part of the system needs to actually have that synergy to make effective changes.